संजय, यार मैं ना सुबह सुबह 9 से लेके रात को 9 बजे तक गधों के जैसे काम करता हूँ, छुट्टी नहीं लेता हूँ, 8 साल से धंधा कर रहा हूँ पर पैसे ही नहीं बन रहे। What is the whole mystery around this?
Right. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 7 mistakes that entrepreneurs make, and these are deadly mistakes that keep them stuck and stagnated and stop them from growing. So keep watching this video till the end, and at the end we will give you a gift, a small ebook that can change your business growth tremendously. In fact, the ebook is about 5 actions that you can take on a daily basis that grows your sales exponentially in the next 90 days. Okay, so that's the gift. और संदीप इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. पहले मेरा नाम संजय है,
मैं संदीप हूँ
और हम लोग इंडिया के फर्स्ट बिजनेस कोचिंग डुओ, एंड वी हेल्प सर्विस बेस्ड बिजनेसेस ग्रो देयर रेवेन्यूज व्हाइल फ्रीइंग देयर टाइम एंड इन्वॉल्वमेंट. तो आप वो सब कर सकते हो जो आप करना चाहते हो. टेक वेकेशंस, स्पेंड टाइम विद फैमिली, वॉच योर चिल्ड्रन ग्रो, वो सब while your business keeps growing. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about 7 deadly mistakes. Let's start with number 1, Sandeep.
Before I come to that, this is one of our favorite topics, right? And this comes...
सारी गलतियां हम कर चुके हैं. हम 11 साल से बिजनेस में हैं, एंड हमने गलतियां कर करके सीखा है. So
yeah, and let's come to the main topic, which is incorrect structuring of the business.
Yes. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, if I ask you this question, that what do you do? Okay, most people answer the question like, I'm a doctor, I'm a dentist, I'm a photographer, I'm an interior designer, I'm a pest control, etc., etc. Okay, now if you look at this structuring is all about me. What do I do? And nothing to do with the customer. Okay, in fact, most entrepreneurs don't put the customer in the center of their business. They're only focused on what do they do. Okay, and this is exactly where we started as well. When we started our business, this was in 2010 end.
Yes.
When we were thinking of doing what business, okay, we looked at, okay, what do we know? And I said, I know training. And he said, yes, I know training as well. We were both in the field of training for some time, and he said, okay, chalo, training ka business shuru karte hain. So we started a business that we knew how to do. And then we said, okay, we do training, and we started going to the market. Okay, we never even thought of who is our ideal customer, what is their pain, what is the problem that we solve for them. And it took us at least 3 to 4 years to realize that people they're not buying trainings anymore. In fact, people are buying solutions to their problems. They aren't buying products or services. Okay, so at that time we started to restructure our thinking, our business in a way, saying, I work with corporate clients and we help them upskill their workforce so that they can make more profit.
Yeah.
Okay, that's when things started to change for us. Then we started looking at, अच्छा ये करने के लिए हमको किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ेगी, उसके लिए हमको क्या सीखना पड़ेगा, क्या एक्सपर्टीज हायर करनी पड़ेगी, etc. And then our whole structure of our business changed.
Yes.
So that is the biggest mistake. If you're, let's say, a dentist, instead of saying I'm a dentist, if you say I help put smiles on people's face, that's a whole different ball game, because then you have to look at, अच्छा ये smile लाने के लिए मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा. And then when people come to you and say, hey, don't worry, we'll put a smile on your face by the time you leave, that's what people are paying money for. They're not paying money for getting their teeth fixed. I mean, sure they are, but honestly, they're getting their teeth fixed because they want to look better, right? Or they don't want to feel the pain, or etc. So some solution to their problem. Okay, and that's what you want to do. So that's point number 1, Sandeep. That's mistake number 1 that most entrepreneurs do. Don't structure business from your perspective. Structure it from your customer's perspective.
Yeah, and ये हमने पहले पाप के बारे में बात की. Let's talk about the second sin, which is not focusing enough on sales and marketing.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Yes. आपने 20-80 rule सुना होगा. 20% of your customers give 80% of your profits. 20% of your actions give 80% of your results. In a business, the 20% actions that gives you consistent and continuous growth is marketing and sales. Okay, most entrepreneurs I meet and I say बस आप दिन भर क्या करते हो? तो यार दिन भर फोन कॉल्स होते हैं, कस्टमर्स होते हैं, स्टाफ के साथ डील करना पड़ता है, ईमेल्स लिखना पड़ता है, फायर फाइटिंग करना पड़ता है, ये गधे हैं मेरे लोग, ऐसा है वैसा है, अरे वो कस्टमर से मिलने का, बट दे aren't doing marketing and sales. They aren't even thinking
Correct.
of on a regular daily basis. How can I market? How can I reach out to new and new prospects every day? And once I reach out to them and they're interested in knowing more about me, how do I convert them into paying customers? In fact, when I ask most entrepreneurs, वो बोलते हैं marketing और sales मेरे को जमता नहीं है. Okay, I want people to do marketing and sales. They hire people for marketing and sales, but those people, they don't understand how to do your marketing and sales because you haven't given them any directions.
Yeah.
So while they're okay to take actions, they aren't producing results because they don't know what kind of marketing works for your business and what kind of sales will work for your business क्योंकि आपको ही नहीं पता. So marketing and sales is an aspect that you need to learn, you need to focus on, and you need to really bring that as a part of your daily routine. If you aren't doing that, then there's going to be a challenge. And our ebook that we had promised in the beginning that we will share the link with you at the end of the video is about 5 simple things you can do on a daily basis that will grow your sales in the next 90 days. Okay, 5 things, simple. रोज के 5 चीज अगर आप करोगे तो आपकी sales बढ़ सकती है. So that's point number 2. You have to focus on marketing and sales.
Yeah, hashtag plug your ebook, right?
Yeah, hashtag plug your ebook.
Alright. The other thing, and I think that's very, very, how do I say this? Very, very common for anybody who starts their businesses. They want everything. All business owners want to do everything by our own. Because वो हमारा बच्चा है, मैंने शुरू किया है, मैं किसी को नहीं दूंगा, I don't trust anybody. So ये sin करते करते ना एक दिन हम लोग बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं और बुढ़े हो जाते हैं और बिजनेस वैसे का वैसे ही रहता है.
Correct. So Sandeep, याद है तेरे को, we used to say अरे नहीं सुबह जाके ऑफिस खोलना है, and ऑफिस में I remember that there used to be this ad जहाँ पे वो बंदा काम कर रहा है और प्यून आके बोलता है साहब मेरे तो बीवी बच्चे हैं घर पे, आप ये ऑफिस लॉक कर देना. And most entrepreneurs are like that. They are the first ones to come to office, they're the last ones to go out, and they work really, really hard. They work on chutti days. They don't take vacations because vacation is business loss for them.
Yes.
Is because they think that they have to do everything because they don't trust people. This is self-employment ना, मतलब मैं अपनी नौकरी में हूँ, अगर मैं काम पे नहीं जाऊँगा तो पगार नहीं मिलेगा वैसे. और सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट और एम्प्लॉयमेंट में बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट में तो अगर आप खराब काम करोगे तो आपको कोई निकाल देगा. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में सालों साल वैसे ही चल रहा है, उतना ही इनकम आ रहा है, लेकिन आपको कोई निकाल भी नहीं सकता. आप ही बॉस हो तो कैसे निकालोगे, राइट? Business is you sitting at home and your business is still making money for you. Okay? And if you are not structuring your business based on systems and processes, जहाँ पे manual intervention, जहाँ पे आपकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, उस तरह से अगर आपने business नहीं set किया, then business is going to be a challenge, okay? And you'll always struggle to find time for things for which you're doing business. मतलब वो जो चीज़ें जिससे आपको प्यार है, जो आपको करना पसंद है, दोस्तों के साथ, फैमिली के साथ, छुट्टियों पे जाना, लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स, ये वो बिना केयर के, दिन के दोपहर के बीच में मूवी देखने चले जाना, लाइक ये सब आप नहीं कर सकते अगर आपका बिजनेस आप पे डिपेंडेंट है. तो you have to focus on a few things that you do well, and everything else you have to start to outsource, either to your team or to some other to some other agency outside, but make sure that you're only focusing on the core of your business. Okay, and you have to set up the systems and processes in your business ताकि आपकी ज़रूरत ना पड़े. So that's
which
third one, right?
actually brings to another very interesting point as an extension of point number 3.
Yes.
Or sin number 3 is most business owners work. तो संजय अब आते हैं हम लोग सबसे बड़े sin पे, सबसे बड़ा पाप जिसको मैं कंसिडर करता हूँ, which is most business owners have been guilty of working in the business rather than being on the business.
Yes.
और
most businesses don't even know the difference.
हाँ तो जरा उसको basically the idea is differentiating between transactional stuff and strategic and important stuff. और हमको लगता है जो भी हम ट्रांजैक्शनल स्टफ कर रहे हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट है,
वही तो बिजनेस है, मतलब वही तो बिजनेस है
कि मैं कॉल्स ले लूँ फायर फाइटिंग करूँ, मेरे स्टाफ को ट्रेन करूँ या उनके प्रॉब्लम झेलूँ, मेरे कस्टमर मुझे कंप्लेंट करेंगे तो मुझे ही उठाना पड़ेगा, क्वालिटी इश्यूज भी मैं ही चेक करूँ, डिलीवरी भी शायद नहीं करूँ. यार in our days when we used to do training,
Yes, absolutely.
the business was about 60% you, 40% me. हम लोग ही बेचते थे, हम लोग ही ट्रेनिंग करते थे, हम लोग ही कोचिंग करते थे,
हम लोग ही इनवॉइस
लेके जाते थे और हमको लगता था अरे यार हमने सब मतलब एकदम बढ़िया कर लिया. बट दैट्स नॉट द केस. दैट इज वर्किंग इन, यू आर एक्चुअली एम्प्लॉयड इन योर ओन कंपनी. और दिक्कत की बात यह है कि बिकॉज आप अपने आप को एम्प्लॉय कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को फायर नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, which means you कैसे भी चले business, you are working, continue to work in the same business in the same way.
And the key to make a difference in this area is identifying कि important strategy क्या है और transaction stuff क्या है. अगर मैं सारा टाइम सिर्फ कस्टमर के कंप्लेंट झेलूंगा या उनको ही अपीस करने में लगूंगा, तो then where will I sit down and actually take out some time and look at growing my business strategically कि मैं कौन से regions में जाऊँ, मैं कौन से कस्टमर से बात करूँ, मैं कौन से अपने वर्टिकल्स एक्सपैंड करूँ. ये सब तो मेरे पास सोचने का टाइम नहीं है.
Correct, exactly.
And that's what my whole firefighting does. Before I know, I would be 60 years of age and my business would be the same at the same point.
Exactly. And for anybody who wants to grow their business, they have to kind of step back and look at their business and say, अच्छा कहाँ पे अच्छा चल रहा है, कहाँ पे नहीं चल रहा है. In fact, we can actually, every week take out some time, maybe an hour, 2 hours, even every day for half an hour to say, okay, what went well and what did not go well. Okay,
yeah.
How can I improve areas that are not going well, right?
हम लोग करते हैं.
हम लोग करते हैं, for sure.
Okay, now comes sin number 5, which is we don't focus on hiring the right people in our organization. और उसके challenges बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, उसके कारण बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. One is सब कुछ मुझे ही करना है, मेरा बेबी है, मेरा बिजनेस है, तो मुझे ही पता है, मैं क्यों आउटसोर्स करूँ. आई डोंट ट्रस्ट पीपल, आई विल नॉट. मतलब वो तो बाहर वाले हैं. या तो फिर द अदर क्रिटिकल वन दैट वी फाउंड इन आवर कोचिंग एंगेजमेंट्स इज इतने पगार मैं दूँ, उसने रिजल्ट नहीं दिया तो इतनी पगार देनी ही क्यों है. एंड इट जस्ट कॉजेज सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स.
Yes, it does. And see, most business owners, what they do is they hire fast. एक इंटरव्यू लिया, ये कर सकते हो, ये कर सकते हो, ये कर सकते हो, ठीक है, कल से काम पे आ जाना. अरे बाबा, my whole point is, if you go to a restaurant and ask a waiter, is this dish good? What is the waiter going to say? Of course it is good. And that is how it will work in any interview. The candidate is going to say, yes, everything is well, I can do it, yes, I'll come at 5 in the morning and go at 12 in the night, yes, everything, yes. And then you hire the person based on that interview. But I'm saying, why don't you take a few interviews, 2-3 interviews, okay? Even if you want to ask the person to come and work with you over a weekend or a couple of days,
yes,
to see how it's going. And once the candidate finds your company good, you find the candidate good, then you make this whole permanent thing, right? So hire slow, and even after hiring, if you don't like the candidate in a month or 2, fire fast.
Yeah.
Don't persist with the candidate because you've hired the candidate, now you have to live with the candidate forever. Remember, your business is more important than anything. So the policy is hire slow so that you hire the right candidate. But if you find that this candidate is not the right candidate, then fire fast.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the policy.
Right people on the bus,
wrong people off the bus, right? And please don't hire based on your budget. Don't say मेरे पास 25,000 रुपए है, इसके अंदर मुझे budget. Look at skills that you need, attitude that you need, and then whatever the money you have to pay a little extra, then pay that little extra, because you can't get the right candidate without paying extra. You throw peanuts, you'll always get monkeys. So pay a little extra. Don't make money the issue. Make results the key factor.
Absolutely. Which brings us to sin number 6, which is most business owners work tirelessly but without any aimlessly.
Yes. And we work with so many entrepreneurs and we coach them and we ask them, okay, what's your goal? They say, we want to be big. Want to be big is a wish, it's not a goal,
yeah.
Okay? And a goal needs to be set and the goal needs to be worked upon, okay? Most people don't know how to set goals. They know the importance of goal setting. Now everybody is talking about goals. Okay, everybody knows that I need to set goals. Some people also do set goals, but they don't break the goals down into milestones. They don't break the milestones into small plans that can be done on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. If you don't break the goal so much down to a small biteable chunk, like a small piece, that something can be done on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, you will not be able to accomplish goals. That means you keep working in the business, you're busy, you're working on everything that's coming in front of you, but it doesn't mean that you're working on your goals, and it doesn't mean that you're growing, it doesn't mean that you're going in the right direction. So work tirelessly, but if you work on your goals with the same effort, you'll get bigger, better results. And if you don't work on your goals, you will be tired but no results.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा कभी होता थोड़ी कि हम घर से ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं और चलना ही है बस, किधर जहाँ रास्ता ले जाए.
हाँ, मतलब लेफ्ट आया तो लेफ्ट, राइट आया तो राइट, सीधे गए तो सीधे, ऐसे नहीं होता. यू ऑलवेज हैव अ प्लान कि अच्छा मैं ब्रेड लेने जा रहा हूँ at 11 in the night, it's going to be here, if not here then that shop, if not there then I'll probably go to the bakery that's 24/7. So you have some idea. Same way, please plan in your business, have a goal, work backwards, create a plan and then work on the plan.
Got it. और जो सबसे आई थिंक अंडर द रेडार वाला सीन है ये, कहीं ध्यान नहीं जाता, बट लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस ओनर्स डोंट टेक एफर्ट और इन्वेस्ट इन देयर ओन सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट.
Most entrepreneurs are like, अरे मुझे सब आता है, I know everything, I've taken a big risk in life, so I know everything, I've started my own business, you know how much effort does it take to start the business, yeah. I know everything, and that's a big problem, side.
It's a big problem because अगर आप नई टेक्नोलॉजीज, नए मार्केट ट्रेंड्स, नए प्रोडक्ट्स, नए सर्विसेज को स्टडी नहीं करेंगे तो आप ग्रो कैसे करेंगे? Remember Sanjay, we've been trying to understand the online world since 2014.
Yes.
Not in the pandemic, and we've been at it. We've been taking 2 steps and falling back 1 step, but we're always keeping ourselves understanding कि market में चल क्या रहा है.
Absolutely.
So if you are not somebody, and we're not saying that invest lakhs of rupees or hundreds of dollars in courses.
Today
there is enough free resources on YouTube, on LinkedIn, I mean Facebook. सिर्फ वहाँ पे कुत्ते बिल्ली की वीडियोस नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं अपने आप को अपग्रेड करने के लिए.
Absolutely. And see, here's an example that I love giving, right? If you have a glass which is a capacity of 200 ml, then you hold it under water for 5 seconds, 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months. At the end of the day, the water will be only 200 ml. Right? Now consider that if your capacity of thinking, the capacity of your mindset is only this much, then how much ever effort you put in, your results are going to be as much, right? You have to expand your capacity, you have to expand your mindset, you have to expand your thinking, and for that you have to invest in yourself. You are your biggest asset. If you're not investing in your own development, God help you.
Yeah, I mean, it's so pertinent to invest. Take out about half an hour, 1 hour a day, and look at what are the emerging trends in your industry, in your services, the emerging technologies, and at some point in time there will come a time where you will start putting it to your business.
Yeah, watch our videos. Hashtag shameless plug. Perfect. So if you like the video, if you like the 7 mistakes, or as Sandeep calls them 7 sins, if you like those, if you think that there is there's some merit to it, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of the videos that we put out for you. Our mission is that you realize your full potential, okay? And for that we want to give you a gift. We want to give you our ebook, which we have written after 22 years of experience,
yes,
of training 1,20,000 people across 16 different countries. That in this book we have actually distilled 5 simple actions that you can take on a daily basis. Remember I was telling you, if you can break your goal down on a daily, weekly, monthly, so you take these 5 actions on a daily basis for the next 90 days, you will see huge uptick in your sales. So if you're interested, click on the link below in the description. There's a link, just click on the link and download this ebook. And that's our gift for you to watch this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have a particular challenge in your business, or if you want to know a particular topic about how to grow your business, then please put it in the comment section. We will answer the question for you. and we'll tag you onto that video so that you get unstuck and start growing your business. Thank you very much for watching our videos. I'm Sanjay.
I'm Sandeep.
And we are India's first business coaching duo. We will help you grow your business. That's our mission. Keep watching.
Until then, take care, stay
Bye-bye.
safe, be healthy.